You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word, isn't it? If you want to learn longer, more confusing words, stay tuned. I've got videos you'll want to watch. Pronounced as generalizability. Yes, you know the word generalize, to generalize, when you make something, general remarks, general things, generalize. Well, it's generalizability. Now, the Americans would say ability, generalizability at the end with a flap T. That sounds like a D, but that's kind of the same pronunciation, apart from the T. Generalizability, generalize ability, generalizability. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.